How to be successful. David Jaffe with davidjaffe.com and BestStockStrategy.com, where I teach people how to trade stock options profitably and earn around 50% a year. So the first thing to recognize on your journey to success is just that. Success is a journey. It is not a destination. As long as you commit to constant improvement, then you have a very good chance of becoming successful. The second thing to recognize is that the pillars and the foundational components of success are opportunity, hard work, and mindset. Now, you can be successful with just opportunity and hard work, but in order to maintain that success, you will need a positive mindset that is not self-destructive. When I worked as an investment banker, I saw an incredibly large number of people who were successful. They got great grades and went to a very prestigious university. However, they were doing cocaine in the bathroom, they were alcoholics and drug addicts and things like that, and they were unable to maintain their level of success. When we talk about success, we are often discussing the things that we desire. There are three main things that we desire, and we're able to leverage the foundational components of success in order to obtain these three components. These things are power, influence, and access or attention. Notice how I don't have money on there. Money inherently does not have value. You can leverage money in order to obtain more power, influence, and access or attention. But by itself, money is not one of the major things that we should strive for. Now, that being said, money is incredibly important because it provides the oil and the lubricant for you to obtain power, influence, and access or attention. But when you use the foundational components, your end goal should be to possess and to obtain power, influence, and access and attention, because when you have these three things, you can essentially create an unlimited amount of money. Or not necessarily unlimited, but you know what I'm talking about. Okay, a few other bookkeeping things. The first is that you're not going to agree with everything that I say, and that's completely okay. All of us have different mindsets, we have different experiences, we have different backgrounds. If there's something that I say that you disagree with, I completely respect that, and you don't have to agree with everything that I said. The last thing is that this course is meant for ambitious people. So if you have a burning desire to be successful and to self-actualize and be that person that everyone looks up to, or where you feel like you've accomplished your potential and reached your potential, then this course is for you. However, if you're the type of person who already has a very clear mind, who does a 2-hour meditative practice every single day, and you are not burdened, and it really is a burden, and if you're not burdened by the desire to self-actualize and to constantly improve and to reach your potential, then this course is not for you. And the reason why I say it's a burden is right now I have way more money than I need in order to live the life that I want. My lifestyle is not fancy at all. If I don't work another day in my life, or if I don't make another dollar for the rest of my life, and I'm only 35, then I have more than enough money to survive. The reason I say it's a burden is that by having the desire to accomplish your potential and to always improve, you're putting stress and pressure on yourself. So that's why I'm saying that it's not necessarily a great thing to want to be successful and to make the necessary sacrifices in order to be successful. But if you take this course, and in the future lectures, I will teach you pretty much everything that you need to know in order to accomplish success, and I'm not going to waste your time at all. I'm going to be very succinct, and I'm going to give you 1 or 2 things in every lecture that's going to help you along the journey of accomplishing your goal of reaching your potential and being successful.